Hi everyone, today I'm going to be going over section 2.2, equations of a line. There are three certain ways that you could solve for the equation of a line. The first one is slope-intercept form, the second is point-slope form, and the third is standard form. I'll be going over each one of them, giving you examples of each one, and showing you how to solve them.
Okay, so the first form we're going to start with is slope-intercept form. Now slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. And in this form, m is the slope, and then 0b is the y-intercept of the line. And then I'm going to give you an example here. So y equals half x plus 5. So in this example, we have half being the slope, and this equation will have a y-intercept of 0, 5. And then just for another example, y equals negative 4x. So in this example, this is showing that it's a line with a slope of negative 4 and a y-intercept of 0, 0, because there is no plus b.
Okay, so the first problem we have here, it shows a line on a graph, and we're going to solve it by using slope-intercept form. So as you can see here, the intercept is at 0, negative 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the intercept is at 0, 6, or negative 6. And then the slope of the line is going to be either negative 1, 2, 3, 1, or 1, 2, 3, 1. So we could put it at 1 over 3. So the second form is called point-slope form. And in point-slope form, the formula is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And in this equation, m is the slope, and x1, y1 is any point on the line. And that's going to help you solve the equation. So the examples we have here, y minus 4 equals 3 times x minus 1. In this equation here, the line would have a slope of 3, and the point is 1, 4. Line 3. And then we'll do one more example here. Y minus 6 equals negative 2/3 times x plus 4. So this is a line with a slope negative 2 over 3, and the point is negative 4, 6. Okay, so using the same graph, we're going to solve it using the point-slope form. And the way you're going to do this is, we already know the slope is 1 over 3. So now what we could do, we could choose any other point on the graph that's not on the line. So we'll just say the point we're going to use is 3, negative 4. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll just use that point for now. So now what we're going to do is we're going to plug it into the equation. So y minus negative 4 equals the slope, which is 1/3, times x minus 3. So we just plug it in here. So as you would simplify, you would go from there, but this is the point-slope form of that line. Okay, and the third and final form that can be used is called standard form. And with standard form, it's going to look like this. ax plus by c. And in this form, all the terms with variables are on one side, and constant is on the other. So the slopes or points would need to be calculated from this form, and the form will sometimes be used in application problems. So I have one written out here, And the problem reads, Nicole goes to the store to buy school supplies. She buys a pack of pens for $1.29 each and notebooks at $1.79 each. She spends a total of $10.53. Write an equation for the amount spent in terms of the number of packs of pens and notebooks purchased. So in this situation, you would write $1.29 that she spent for the pack of pens, so we'll make that P, plus the $1.79 she spent on buying the notebooks, so we'll do N. So you're multiplying by the amount of pens and notebooks that she would have purchased, and those two together would have to equal a total of $10.53. So from this, you would just solve all the way down, and that would give you the amount that you would need. Okay, and the last form we're going to do is using standard form, and I have a word problem written out here. So it reads, 3 pounds of oranges cost $8.37 and 7 pounds of oranges cost $19.53. Find the linear equation for the price of oranges in terms of the number of pounds of oranges purchased. So right off the bat, we know that the slope is going to be $2.79 per pound. So using the point 3,837 for the 3 pounds at $8.37 each, the equation would be C for the cost minus $8.37 equals the slope of $2.79 times the amount of pounds minus 3, which equals the amount of pounds of oranges in the equation. And using this will simplify, and then for the second part of this, you would use the cost minus $19.53 equals the $2.79 slope times the price of the oranges minus the 7 pounds, and that would be for the second part. And like I said, this is done here, but this part would simplify, which would equal C, the cost, is equal to $2.79, which is the slope, P, and that will be your simplified form.